Hi everybody, for this week's video I will share with you how I use the Cordy to make some I-cord. First I will create a loop, cast on the first and the third hook like this, and then I will just push a little bit on my loop, and then I'll go around it, wrap it and hold it and go down, wrap it and then go down, wrap it and then go down. If you go too tight, it won't work. If you use a stiff yarn, it won't work. You have to find a yarn that is soft and with a little bit of stretch in it. So when you got your speed and your technique, it will go very well. So I just go down, pull around. Oops, miss one. Just put it back on the hook like this, and it look. You see, at the beginning, sometimes it's happen. It go very loose like this. I just remove the knot, and it will fix it. I'm sure it's happened to you guys before. It get very loose, and sometimes it look weird. So I just remove the knot and then remove the each stitch till I reach the real good stitch, and voila. So I will go and wrap around, pull down, wrap around, pull down and wrap around. So for this I use some scrap yarn, so I didn't have enough, so I have to add another piece. So it's easy. I will just go and do a knot, very tight one like this, tight, and then I will continue to use my Cordy till I reach the knot. So I will continue around, and when I got the knot, I will go very slow, and it's gonna be very stiff and hard, but you're gonna go around like this carefully, and you're gonna help the machine with your finger just to pull it. It will be like that for 2 stitch minimum, maximum. So I did 1, put it down, very important, wrap around, help the machine, not the machine but the gadget, and then go down, and the knot is passed. So now I'll be able 3 stitch. I'll be able to continue as I did at the beginning, just like this, wrap around, then go down. So you end up with a knot like this, but no worry. With the wool needle you could fix it easily. So I go in the middle of the I-cord like this and bring the tail inside of it. Just pull, stretch and disappear. Again, going in the middle of the I-cord. Whoops, make sure you go in the middle, not on the side. In the middle, bring the tail in and stretch again. There. Oh, and cut the excess when it's needed. So voila. So now I will go and do the cast off. The cast off is very easy, as you could see. With the wool needle, we'll just grab the first and the third one, okay? And then I will grab the one in the middle, pull tight, and then to secure it I will get a full stitch. Whoops, I lost the yarn. Full stitch and create a loop, and voila, it's done. So you have your I-cord. See you next week for a brand new video. Tell me if you like it when I show some gadgets. Ciao ciao.